Sanibonani emakhaya, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tanderable because we are adorable. So, for this video, I'm going to need water. And Aquacare is my go-to girl because I'm not trusting the things that I'm about to do. Right. So we're going to be testing. Okay, I went to Pola and I bought a big plastic bag of snacks, and we're going to try them together so that you don't have to try them because I'll be a sacrificial lamb. Wink, wink. But yeah, so I'm going to try this. I bought chips that I've never had before. There's this one. There's this one. Okay, let me show you this one up close. There's this one, and then there's this one. That's maning. There are a lot. So, okay, the only ones that I know are these Doritos and these Lays. So, okay. My mother told me to choose this one. I don't know which one I'm supposed to try first. But yeah, I'm trying to so that you guys don't have to try them. If they're not nice, I hope they're nice. I hope they're nice. Guys, imagine if they're not nice. You know? Guys, and the other thing, why packaging this so really bored? Why? Sanford. I think all these snacks are from South Africa. Yeah, this one is from South Africa. We also have these Papa's corn chips. I think they're also from South Africa. No, these ones are from Zambia. And Kuningi, guys. So the first one, let me see. That's the first one I'm going to choose. Okay, we're going to test this Papa's. I think I bought different snacks of these, right? Okay, so I bought 3 different flavors. There's the tomato, the cheese, and the barbecue for these ones. You see? And I'm going to start with the cheese. I think these ones, they're very cheap. I don't think they're that expensive. First one's next. I don't see them. They're going for like 30 cents. Not expensive. They smell like cheese. I think it's because they're cheese flavor, right? They smell like cheese. So this is the shape that we have. Don't mind the music. That's just a lot. Just don't mind it. Did not concentrate on the food that I'm eating. They're not bad. Let me test the tomato blend. They're not that bad, ne? They're bad. Scratch it, they're bad. These ones, I don't think I can finish the whole packet of the Papas. I don't think I can finish the whole packet. It's like into a you know something that is not fresh. They taste like something that is not fresh, and they're expiring in October, and we're just in April. But they, I'm gonna my chips and go fresh, guys. I'm putting this aside, and then I'm trying the crispy super stick. Crispy super stick. I don't know why because I don't think they're that full. I don't think they're that full. So outside manje so ne. And then phakathi manje so. What flavor is this? Tomato flavor. Okay, why is there sugar? I think these ones are nice. Like if you remove the sugar, then not nice like 100%, but probably like 80 or 85 or 90. They're not that bad. Removing the sugar, I don't know how that possible is. Is that even possible? I don't know, but yeah, we are going to be doing that. But they're not bad, but so far. Also, I bought two flavors for this. I bought the tomato and the original taste. But where is the sugar? Where is the sugar in these things? Ah, guys. So let me see if I like the original flavor. Because I don't like the tomato flavor. But then they're okay than the first ones, the peppers. One of the same thing. I bought have sugar. I don't know why. Okay. I bought these banana wafers. Must marry. I don't think those are Caesar. These are from I don't know where they're from, but I think they're from South Africa. I don't know. They're from India. Okay, so on the outside they're like this, name. You see the outside, and then on the inside, these are just bananas. This is how they are. Hi, No, now it's a bit weird because I'm coming from eating something with sugar, and then now I'm eating something with salt. I think maybe that's the problem. But I would not buy this for the second time. I would not buy this. So the next one. Okay, so these ones I bought them yesterday. I forgot to show you guys like in the beginning of the video. These are called chicken nuggets beef flavor. Chicken nuggets beef flavor. Okay. Let me try it. So the chicken nuggets, I don't know. Okay. No, I'm not going to start. Okay, so outside, there's this appetizing chakadaro. And then packet. They're okay. But they have an aftertaste, a very weird aftertaste. And why would you call them chicken nuggets and then put a beef flavor? Chicken, beef, two different things. But oh well. I think they're better than the sugar ones and the banana wafers. Out of all the chips I've had, this one is the best. Even though the combo is weird, but okay. And then the next one, we're going to try this. These Palachi wafers. No wafers was that one. Okay. So this is how they are on the outside. And these are from India. They don't smell like chips, but and this is how they are. They don't have salt. Salt. So the next one, we're going to try the rice chips. They're from Durban. They're from South Africa. Oh, you. Oh. No comment. Yeah. Okay. I still have hope. I'm now left with 5 of the things that I've never had before. Wait, 2, 4, 5 years. I'm left with this one. And I hope I find something that is good. Something that I can finish like the whole packet on this 5. Because that's what color, guys. Okay. So the second one, we're going to try the potato. Potato. These are the potato and they're from South Africa. So we are trying the potatoes. And this is how they look. I don't know if you guys can see it, but yeah. This ones are not so bad. I think I can actually finish this whole packet of these here potatoes. These ones and the chicken nuggets. They're the top 2. I think on this one, man. Tell me why did I buy 2 chips of the same? Yo, I bought 2 snacks. I don't know what happened, but I bought 2 after another. So I'm not going to try another one. I'm just going to try this one. And okay. Now fully. Yo. This is how they look on the inside. This is how they are on the inside. I don't think I'm going to bother trying this packet. Okay. So, on the chips that I've never had before, this is the last one. This is the last one. The 3D Cornados salt and vinegar corn snacks. These are from Zimbabwe. They're manufactured in Gwinnett Side, Harare. Ah, Bule. Kati, why am I just flying up, Bule? So, and I showed you which plant I did. Then this is how they are. These ones are nice. They just have too much salt and vinegar, but then if they reduce, they like them. If they reduce the salt and vinegar, they're actually nice. I can actually eat this whole packet. So, out of all the chips I've had, this is number 1. This is number 2. And then this is number 3. Amanye lawana. Hi. This one's I can like. I would advise you to buy these ones. Amanye lawana 10 and down. These ones they're not so bad. I would give this a 9 out of 10. Amanye lawana number 4, number 3, number 2. So this is a 9 out of 10. This is 7.5, and then there's a 6 out of 10. So thank you guys for watching my videos. I hope you guys had a good time, because I had a good time trying the snacks, and I hope you guys like know which snacks to buy when you go to Bola. Anyways, please share, comment, subscribe, and do all the good things from me to you.